Hi, I'm Lee, and I want to show you a new product from Dosatron International. This is our new D132. This is a 132 gallon per minute injector. It can inject from 35 GPM up to 132 GPM. One of the neatest features of this injector is the injection range. We can inject from 1 to 100 all the way down to 1 to 30,000. That makes this injector perfect for acids for pH control or even sanitation products. But let's see how this thing actually works. This injector has Dosatron's patented diversion technology. The water comes through a diversion sleeve and diverts 10% of the water up into a smaller Dosatron unit. This unit is one that's a D14 that most of you are very familiar with. That water then comes back in and is mixed with the fertilizer solution going out. If you have questions on a D132, please give us a call or visit our website. Thank you for watching.